Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine now. A devastating storm, Amphan, has made our lives very disastrous. However, most of the situation has been restored, and at present we have got electricity, we have got water, and of course the net connection has been provided to all of you. Lesson 4 of your English book has already been completed. Just two paragraphs are due to write. I'll come later with that ones. But before that, we'll be practicing some grammatical aspects of previous lessons, mainly from the book of Wings. Today, I am doing I am giving you some activities from part 1. So, first, let us see what are the activities. Okay. In this activity, you will have to fill in the blanks with the appropriate words given in the help box below. So, before you do the activity, you first know the meaning of the words given in the help box. The first one is excited, then various, delighted, elated, huge. These all are the words you will have to fill in the blanks. হেল্প বক্সে যে ওয়ার্ডসগুলো অলরেডি রয়েছে দেখো এগুলোর সঙ্গে তোমরা অলরেডি পরিচিত ছিলে আগে, তবু আমি আরেকবার রিপিট করে দিচ্ছি। ফার্স্ট ওয়ান ইজ এক্সাইটেড, মানে হচ্ছে উত্তেজিত হওয়া, অর্থাৎ হঠাৎ কোনো কিছু দেখে একটা স্টান্ড হয়ে যাওয়া, সেটা হচ্ছে এক্সাইটেড। তারপর হচ্ছে ভ্যারিয়াস, ভ্যারিয়াস মানে হচ্ছে অফ ডিফারেন্ট কাইন্ড, নানা রকমের। ডিলাইটেড মানে দেখে খুশি হওয়া। ইলেটেড মানেও ওই একই জিনিস, এটাও খুশি হওয়া। আর হিউজ মানে হচ্ছে বিশাল। তো এইগুলো হচ্ছে ওয়ার্ডস ইউ উইল হ্যাভ টু ফিল ইন দ্য ব্ল্যাঙ্কস অ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েটলি। ফার্স্ট ইউ রিড দ্য প্যাসেজ অ্যান্ড ইউ ডু ইট ইয়ারসেলফ। নাও উই আর কামিং টু দ্য নেক্সট অ্যাক্টিভিটি। হিয়ার ইউ উইল হ্যাভ টু টিক দ্য কারেক্ট অল্টারনেটিভস। ওয়ান ইজ ডান ফর ইউ। Very simple. First one is given, the boy or boys are playing in the playground. So you'll have to first see either the words are in singular form or in plural form. If the word in the bracket is in singular form, then it will be is, and if it is in plural form, then it will be are. So on. It will depend on the words given there and depend on the sentence. You will have to read it first and then you will have to write. However, in C and D, the activities, the sentences are a little bit different. Here there is no is or are. It is about the uses of verb with s or without s if the noun is singular or plural. If the noun is singular, then you will have to use yes or s with the verb, and if the noun is plural, then it will be without s or yes in the verb. And in the last, that is for serial number D, I saw many. Monkey or monkeys will be there. Many stands for more number of any object, that is for plural. So it will always be s, the s or yes will be added according to the noun given there. Now here we come at the last activity for today's lesson. You will have to fill in the blanks with the correct singular or plural form of nouns that you can see in the bracket, and one is done for you. You see here, Shivam has many toy or toys. I have already told you in the last activity that many stands for more than one thing, so it will be with s or yes. Now you look at serial number B. No room or no rooms was available. Was is always there after a singular thing or singular object or singular noun, whatever you call. But if it would have been in plural form, then there would have been were, not was. But as it is was, of course the singular form of the noun room will be there, so it will be room. Now you look at serial number C. Here it is given that the cow or cows gives us milk. So as you see, the s is added with the verb, so it will always be a singular noun. If it would have been plural, then it would have been give, not gives. But as it is gives, the noun will of course be singular, so it will be the cow. In serial number D, it is he kept all the book or books in the bookshelf. All stand for many things, everything that is there, so it will be plural, so you add s with the noun book. Look at serial number E. Earth or earths moves round the sun. First one, you all know that earth is only one in the universe, so it will always be singular, and more than that, you see s is added with the verb move. So when s or es is added with the verb, the noun will always be singular, so here earth is singular, no earths will be there, it will only be earth. Serial number F. These seats are reserved for lady or ladies. First you see, there are many seats which are reserved, these seats. So if the seats are different, seats are many, it will of course be reserved for many ladies, so it will be ladies. Many seats cannot be reserved for one lady only. Okay, so I am coming to the last line G. The deer is running into the bush or bushes. দেখো তোমরা বুশ আর বুশেস এই কথার মধ্যে একটু সামান্য ডিফারেন্স রয়েছে। একটা হচ্ছে বুশ মানে হচ্ছে ঝোপঝাড় যাকে বলা হয়, আর বুশেস মানে হচ্ছে যেখানে অনেক ঝোপঝাড় থাকে, মানে অ্যাকচুয়ালি জঙ্গল। এই জঙ্গলকে মানে ছোটোখাটো যে জঙ্গলগুলো হয় তাকে আমরা বুশেস বলি। তো একটা হরিণ কখনো তো একটা ঝোপের মধ্যে তো লাফাতে পারে না, অবশ্যই সে জঙ্গলের ভেতরে লাফাবে। তো জঙ্গলের ফর্মটা কী আছে, ইংলিশ ফর্মটা হচ্ছে bushes, so it will be bushes. So this is all about today's activities. I will come again very soon with another set of activities from Wings book. Till then, thank you very much, and you listen to me very carefully and submit the activities at the earliest. Okay, bye.